Calm the fuck down.
Excuse the vulgar language.
Big ass wanna be seen on camera.
Alright, so it's the road to SEMA. Hilary Banks. Minor touch-ups here and there.
How that look, man?
He gonna send her down 600. I'm gonna clear back out. I've been watching him for a minute, so I guess he know what he doing. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Gonna change the oil, change the spark plugs, clean up this interior a little bit. Few spots here and there. We're gonna touch up with that Hot Wheels leather cleaner. By the way, that is a sponsor. Go get you some water, Gizmo. So yeah, we gotta keep them busy.
Yeah.
And this gonna be done in no time. Touch them handles up. It's all in the details. All in the details. Uh-oh.
Hey, look. To the bottom of the gold thing. I know that's why we're gonna clear it. Leave it, right? Yeah.
We got more if need be.
No, don't send it. Just send it. Close off. Don't send it. Okay. This sounds rough.
Gizmo, go get you some water. Jeez.
Oh, quarter pound, this whole back. Whole back. So, quarter pound. Who the hell opened it up? You did.
You did. Yes, you did.
Yeah. Cause you cranked it up.
You crunk it up.
Oh, I told you though.
You was standing in the door when you gave me the stickers.
How you open that door? I was trying to close it. Open. I mean. Told it.
Guilty speaks.
Nah, bro. It was open. I tried to close it. Wow. How did you try to close it? What did you do? Bump it. Didn't want to get it.
Oh, Mo's truck?
Yeah. So I put my hand inside. A lot of hands like that, boy.
Old smoked ham hock.
So what we doing on this? Man, we got this 600, man. We're gonna wet sand it down real good. Flow coater? Flow coat, man. That's all day. All day. No pearl, no nothing. No pearl. Okay. Just flow coat this thing, man. Get it nice and shiny for SEMA. SC in the building. Here we come, baby.
Live and direct.
Sir.
Catch us in traffic. Know your rights.
Cause it's what? Us. Never know, man.
Us versus them.
No. It's us.
Versus them.
Let me see. Turn around. Are you ready? Maybe if I had a hat, man, I would know.
Ooh.
Oh, you ain't wear your oven mitt today, huh?
It's oven mitt.
Let's roll the windows up so he don't mess up our interior.
You know?
These guys be a little messy.
Hey, what, it was one of them, huh? I want to see if it worked.
It did.
It came out.
You got time?
We was hacking in.
Your toe.
Who's happy with it? Your boy. What boy? Where? Wesley? Yeah. The one you say? Buck. Yeah.
Yeah, he's over here playing. He did get it. See a little groove right there.
Excuse me. All right, man. Catch us in Las Vegas, man. From what day?
October 27th.
SEMA show.
SEMA show begins November 2nd through the 4th.
The 2nd through the 4th. It's only 2 days.
Well, it's Tuesday through Friday. My bad. So what, that's the 1st through the 4th? 1st through the 4th.
I got my guy Will Run over here.
Will run.
He mostly walk, but he will run one. You know what I mean, 600 in this thing, about to re-clear it, man. Get it really fresh. Do the last little bit of odds and ends to what we really wanted to do for the show season, but we ain't attended no shows that really made us wanna, you know, step the game up past beyond. So now it's time. Few little odds and ends, man. Y'all already know what's on them bulges.
Yeah, Rimlady working.
She ain't working, she can stay her ass at home. So, minor the little small stuff, man. Little oil change, little tune up, re-clear it, wet sand it buff. We're gonna lower this back about an inch and a quarter, inch and a half. Try to get the squat down just even with that front. Get that stance perfect. Man, we gonna roll up in there, man, and show them how SC do. Well, I say, man, catch us in traffic. You better know your rights. This her car, not mine. And what?
So y'all heard it. Live and direct from Mr. Stitch. So that's about that on that for the day. Check back, stay tuned. The road to SEMA. We headed there.
Las Vegas! Las Vegas!
See y'all out there.
Make y'all see my outfit.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, we getting everything.
Y'all smell that? Y'all smell that?
He smell his upper lip.
I think we gotta put on deodorant.
I got that recorded. Alright, y'all. It's your girl Camaro Key. I'll be back in 3.